Come with us to hike to Grinnell Lake.
Let's get it.
Meet.
The views.
I know. It's got a wind or something.
Nah, that one.
No, I will do this one before I leave. For sure, I will. Because you said there's a trail on the backside, isn't there?
I have no idea. I've heard people do it.
Oh, I think,
That fucking view.
who told me that? Joey? Is that his name?
Yeah. The boss.
Yeah. The boss.
You know, I don't know. It just seems weird.
Oh, 100%. And I was a kitchen manager when I was his age, so I was like, I get it now, man.
Okay. I've been to 4.5 miles. What the fuck?
We still have 4.5 left?
2.5. It's 2.5 miles. 4.5 kilometers.
Oh. We're a mile in. Here's where we are.
Right between Swift Current Lake and Josephina.
Josephina, hello. We'll update you in another mile. Go. What is this called?
Swift Current Lake.
So current lake. Current temperature, 42 degrees. Water temp, 34 degrees. Blue water, cloudy skies, long trail. Breaks his leg. Well, you're the tour guide, bro. Where we at?
Lake Josephine.
Josephine. We just got to Lake Josephine, and we are now going to Grinnell Lake.
Let's go.
How far is it? 2.4 miles?
0.6.
2.6 miles to Grinnell Lake. We're probably like 2 miles down, so it's pretty easy. But here's the trail. Ding ding. Goodbye. Look how blue it is. That's so pretty, man. Why? Oh!
Hello, little baby. Attacks me.
Absolutely gorgeous eyes out. Right in the water.
Avalanche. Going straight down to Lake Josephine.
All the trees are knocked over.
Wow.
Wow. Barely any sun, steady rain, and like 40 degrees average.
Easy trail.
We're probably like what, 3 miles?
Away?
Yeah, no, like in?
Yeah, probably 3.
About 3 miles. It's only 3.3 miles, man. We can walk down there across the wood. It's only 0.3 times your episode. So we're gonna cross this on the trees. Let's check her out, man. I'm thinking right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, bro. We are problem solvers. Holy. Now, let's go.
Fucking dark, baby.
Yeah, dude. Wish I had a camera, like an actual camera. That would be so sick. Holy.
No blind.
Yeah. This is what I look like with my shirt off, man. Just like Snow White.
One step too far.
There we go. Holy, it's so warm over here. We made it to Grinnell Lake. It was 7.3 miles. Overall, not too bad. How was your experience?
Great.
It's probably like a
Great.
moderate trail. It's not hard. It's not easy. But she is. Imagine being a deer just drinking water out of here.
An iceberg.
Well, that's Grinnell Lake. I hope you enjoyed hiking with us. It's like I said, it's a pretty hard path, but it's manageable by pretty much everybody. Any final words?
We made it.
We made it. It's so beautiful, man. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a moose right there. He's huge.
Fucking steady. Oh, I saw another one.
You can see his horns, man. They're huge too. Imagine living there.
Oh yeah.
He's huge. He's a little bird. Well, there's a moose.